Nomadtable app, solo travel app, new viral app going viral on TikTok. One of the best solo traveler apps right now, as I think, super cool app. If you like to travel solo, if you like digital nomading and you want to hang out with people in your community in a new city, or just find some interesting things to do in a new city. Never eat, explore, adventure alone again. Nomadtable connects solo travelers in real time, helping you meet like-minded people, nearby plan activities, and join future trips. Join or create activities, meet up for dinner, sightseeing, or casual hangouts. See who's nearby, find and connect with solo travelers in your current city. Future trip planning at your next destination, AI-powered recommendation, in-app messaging, and group chats. Connect with travelers before and during your trip. And then there is also like a premium feature. See the full list of nearby travelers. Find everyone nearby, not just a limited selection. See who viewed your profile. See which nearby travelers check out in your profile. Boost your unlimited AI activity suggestions. So here you can just see the idea. You can just find it in here. In Nomadtable Plus, you can boost your profile, see who viewed your profile, unlimited AI activity suggestion, full visibility of overlapping travelers. So real-time solo traveler meetup, save and verified connection, future trip planning made easy. And here you have it. So create or join activities, nearby travelers, chat to figure out details, join city chats for future trips. This is super helpful. If you traveling solo in some unknown city, just instantly use this app and just join the group chat. You do not need to join like 20 Facebook groups or whatever. This is just much easier, and then you can find literally in seconds, find people who want to go out for a coffee or hang out in a beer. This is mostly not for dates, just for finding friends or asking some helpful information in a new city for you. And it's super easy, well-designed app. You can see the details. For example, you can see like city, Copenhagen, 100 plus travelers in here. You can see all of these people. You can go to their profile, countries visited, message. You can message people, block user about. That's kind of the idea. Then you can see your profile, you can get verified, you can see upcoming trips. Again, you can upgrade to plus in here. There are settings. Notify about activities nearby, notification distance. You can also have snooze mode, hide me from nearby list, hide my distance away from others. There are also some invite codes. I don't know where to get it. There are some special offers, but I don't know where to get it. If you have it, leave it in the comments below. You can always delete your account. But yeah, super cool kind of. Then you can just add your future trips, like you're just adding. And then you just add in, for example, and then you can create your trip, and then you can see how many people are going that. You can see all the travelers. Quite nice. And you can see all the chats, your personal chats, and that's it. So the app is not like overcrowded. There are just literally minimalistic functions. I really like that, and that's basically the idea. So something like that. Find friends, search for friends, see some notifications. So you can see all of the like parties, for example, activities, hiking, drinks, and then you can see people are joining some activities. Kind of like meetup, but also kind of like a social map and also solo traveling app combined together. Pretty cool niche, and that's just what you have. So something like that. So definitely give it a try. Again, super cool.